Describing characters in a memoir can be easy enough. The people in your story are your characters. It is your job to bring vivid literary characters to the attention of your readers. You must use descriptive writing to present believable characters. Without other people, our lives and memoirs risk becoming dull. Although ideas are pivotal for many individuals, relationships are even more commanding. We are intrigued with who other people are and how they function. Who's that? What are they doing? Where do they come from? These are questions we want answered. To write a strong story, capitalize on this interest. Many people mistakenly believe that characters in a story have to be well known to be interesting. When they write their stories, they search their past for when they might have crossed paths with the famous. Consequently, they write about when they were in the same elevator with some luminary back in 1968. This is not necessarily something that will make your story interesting. A representation of a vivid character is more likely to entice your reader. Describing characters well is about details, not about fame. In life writing, you create a strong, vivid sense of people by describing characters in sensual details. The senses, of course, are sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. The most effective descriptions of people make use of these details. Here are some ways you can use sense details to describing characters more vividly. Taste. Let the reader sample foods associated with your past or with the person you are writing about. Perhaps a food image or a metaphor will give a deeper sense of the person's personality. Sight. What did the person you are writing about look like? Describing characters well requires you mention height, weight, color, shape, posture, mannerisms, contours of the face, prominent features, and so forth. How did that person move, talk, walk, sit? Describe the person's clothing, sense of style, hairstyles. In what ways did that person typically express emotion with body posture? Sound. This includes voice modulation, timbre and pitch, as well as favorite expressions, accents, dialectical usage. Don't forget throat clearing, foot scraping, or the knocking of a wedding ring against glass as a hand cleared frost from a windshield. Smell. Your text should make references to perfumes, colognes, pipe tobacco, barn odors, the scent of a kitchen, the aroma of a bath, and the smell of a workshop. Smell is one of the most evocative senses in describing a character. A particular herb or soap or cleaning fluid can immediately return us to another time and place. Be sure to use that power in your descriptions. Touch. Help the reader feel how rough your character's skin was, or how smooth the clothing, how gentle the hands, or how furtive the caress. Remember, describing characters well need not be that hard. Well, what's your experience in writing? Good luck.